Hi, this is Marty.
I'm Lyle.
We're from Winter Equipment, and today we're going to install a BlockBuster system, cutting blade edge system on a truck. And as you'll notice in here, we have two bolt kits. Because these systems last so long, sometimes what people will do after a couple years of service is take the bolts off and replace the hardware to make sure that it has secure fitment all the way through. Nuts, bolts, washers, everything in one bag. This system comes with two plow guards. Lyle's holding a straight plow guard. I have a curb runner plow guard. We're going to put this on the curb side or the passenger side for protection, this side on the plow.
Now with the straight guard, you can put it either on the far left-hand side to even out the wear, or if you're getting high wear in the middle, you can put it there for crowning as well.
We're going to put this BlockBuster blade up on there. One of the things that we consider is that it's a heavy blade. What we're going to do is lift it up on there with a couple bars in the back and just guide it onto the moldboard.
Any way you want to. So we put the 3-3 pattern on both of the outsides, so it's universal. So you don't have to go left and right.
Okay. Okay, let me put mine in first and then you grab it. Bring yours out.
You want it out?
Yep, because we got to lock it in there. Bring yours all the way out. Now bring the blade all the way out and put it in and then snap it in. See what I mean? We got to get it in down here.
Oh, okay.
The way I do it is come in, just put this down as a pivot and then just come in like
And
that.
then kind of put it in?
Yeah. So basically from here we just bolt it up.
I think it's going to be important for Marty to be involved in like the editing process, so he can say, "Ooh, that wasn't good." Or,
Yeah, don't use that. Don't
if
use
they're
that.
struggling at a certain point, you know what I'm saying?
Marty can come to the office one day.
And just sit down and go through all of them, you know?
You actually going to put nuts and bolts on?
Well, let's do a couple. Maybe this one and that one.
Outside edge, yeah.
And then the rest I don't think I'm going to. I shouldn't have put them on the other ones over here.
You guys will do the voiceovers.
Yep.
How are you guys going to do this?
No.